supervisor katanat social welfare ka jala ba polling do hakasingi palewle tho ba katanat kala yo priang ni ki jingte ba menta ki nong khai drang ki la penon kam sadaki khynnah banle ki kam khai drang hanong ba shilong la yo priang ki jingte ba halor ki ni kadai ka jingja ka ba ishar khai hado ka tata ba dei na kani ka daw ha ka jingelang ba USP ka ANTF lekran bon ki namar kalong ka badan kam bandan ka jingitrai lang ka bajan bha bat ki Pulit ka jala ka district bat ka ANTF ringkat ki nong shong shnong ulong habakran ba ki lal pathai ku bor hadin balawai ka jingalang uba po loong ruba kum ki nong shong shnong kim dei pan ong baka ne ka jingma kanum khta ya ki namar khaddu kinum la ban tip lada kim trai lang bayo upara marjan basa senda ying bat ki udei pan ban unong khai drang kumta lada kum ka shnong hi kam mi shakhman kan dei ka ba e abha ban iakhun.
There are reports to that effect. These are it's a very worrying trend, and which is why today's meeting with the SP ANTF assumes a lot of significance, because coordination between the state, the district police and the ANTF plus the local community is very important. And at this point of time, I'd like to again make a clarion call to the community that it is high time for them to come forward and help us, because we as a society, we are a close-knit society, and if anybody thinks that the problem does not involve his family, then he is wrong, because we are so closely knit that the peddler might be your next door neighbor. So unless the community comes forward, and as I stated today with Dorvashnong of Nongsa Opamopem coming in and forming the VDP, it is the 12th VDP in Shillong city. And can you imagine a city with a population that is close to 6 lakhs having just that marginal community participation in a matter as crucial as the need to eradicate drugs and narcotics from Meghalaya. Meeting today with the SP ANTF is fundamentally to seek a progress report on the work being done by the ANTF. We have received inputs, fresh inputs, which I have shared with him regarding certain areas within the Shillong city where groups of peddlers are pushing drugs and narcotics into the open market, and also I've sought that he should immediately meet the SP of the district to cement the ties between ANTF and the state police, because of the seriousness of and the gravity of the situation. So basically that was the point, and then we shared inputs about how ANTF has now gone proactive, covered areas which they have not done in the past. That was the gist of the meeting. Well, a lot of commercial areas within the city. For example, the stretch leading to Matran is highly susceptible to drug menace, and so far there has been little presence of the ANTF. So such areas we have sought immediate action on the part of the ANTF, and that will be done in sync with state. It's already in the list of hotspots. In fact, if you go through the list which is available with us of these hotspots, almost every district in the state has now fallen prey to drugs and other narcotics. But Shillong and East Giant Hills, these remain on top of the radar because of the fact that a lot of drug pushers use these areas, Shillong being the state capital and East Giant Hills being the point of entry for the narcotics.
So